Hey everyone, how are you? So, children, uh, we have seen the properties of parallelogram in our previous sessions. In our previous videos, we have seen what is a parallelogram, what are its properties. You know, there are four important properties of parallelogram, and that is first, opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, parallel, then opposite angles equal, then adjacent angles supplementary, and one based on diagonals, that diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Now we are going to study now very important parallelograms, some special parallelograms, and they are firstly rhombus. These all are special parallelograms. We are going to learn one by one all this rhombus. Secondly, rectangle, and the third one is square. So there are three special parallelograms we are going to study now. First one is rhombus. So you have seen rhombus so many times, children. A rhombus is a parallelogram having all of its sides equal. It is a parallelogram, but all of its sides are equal. All sides are equal. Then a parallelogram is a rectangle if all of its angles equals to 90 degree. This is again a parallelogram. And a square is a parallelogram whose all sides as well as all angles are equal. So these three special parallelograms we are going to cover now. All these figures are parallelogram. This one is parallelogram. It has having all the properties. All the three rhombus, rectangle, square having all the properties of parallelogram. Opposite sides parallel in all three. Opposite angles equal in all three. Okay. Diagonal bisect each other in all three. Adjacent angles supplementary in all three. So children, these are some special parallelogram having some different properties other than parallelogram also. So let us study one by one all this. First one is rhombus. Now the first one is rhombus. A rhombus is a quadrilateral or a parallelogram with sides of equal length, and each sides are of equal length. So all sides are equal. Let us give the name ABCD. So it is a quadrilateral or a parallelogram because rhombus, rectangle and square all are parallelograms. A rhombus is a parallelogram with sides of equal length. All of its sides are equal. So it is a special type of parallelogram. So AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. All sides are equal. All sides are equal. In parallelogram, if all sides, only sides, not angles, only sides are equal, then that special type of parallelogram is called rhombus. This is the first special parallelogram. Now let us learn the properties of rhombus. Now first property of rhombus. A rhombus has all the properties of parallelogram. As you know, rhombus is a parallelogram, so it must have all properties of parallelogram. So let us again make one rhombus. You know what is rhombus? All sides are equal. All sides are equal. So it has all properties of parallelogram. This is a rhombus. I have made one rhombus ABCD. All properties of parallelogram. So what are properties of parallelogram, children? Firstly, sides, opposite sides, and angles are equal. First property is that opposite sides are parallel, of course. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. This is the property of parallelogram. So this is the property of rhombus also. Secondly, adjacent angles are supplementary. So here also adjacent angles are supplementary. Thirdly, diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. So these are the all properties of parallelogram which fits in the properties of rhombus also. Opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, adjacent angles supplementary, and the diagonals bisect each other also. Diagonal bisect each other. That means if diagonal bisect at O, then OA equals to OC and OB equals to OD. So rhombus has all properties of parallelogram and also that of kite also means these two consecutive sides are equal. Two pairs of consecutive sides. So this one pair is equal and this one pair is also equal. That means a kite. What is a kite? Having two pairs of consecutive sides equal. So this one two are equal and this one are equal because all of its sides are equal only. So it is a kite also. So rhombus is a kite also. But a kite is not a rhombus. Now comes to the second property of rhombus. Now see, the diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular bisectors, perpendicular as well as bisector, both diagonals. So this is one rhombus I made. Let us name it PQRS. Now see children, let us make diagonals. Now, these are the diagonals, two diagonals. Now, diagonals are perpendicular to each other. That means they are forming an angle of 90 degree here. And this all are 90 degree. Perpendicular means they are forming an angle of 90 degree as well as all diagonals bisect each other. Both the diagonals bisect each other also. So, this is a rhombus. So, what will write? PR and SQ are perpendicular. This is a short form of children, perpendicular. Perpendicular bisectors. That is POQ, this angle equals to ROQ equals to SOP equals to SOR. All angles are 90 degree as well as and OP equals to OR, diagonal bisect also. So OP equals to OR and OS equals to OQ. So this is very important property of rhombus. In rhombus, diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. All are 90 degree. This all angles are 90 degree and the diagonal bisect also. So OP equals to OR and OQ equals to OS. So this rhombus is over. Properties. So it is a parallelogram having special properties. Clear children? So now we will move towards rectangle. Now see rectangle. Second one after rhombus, rectangle. A rectangle is a parallelogram with equal angles. All of its angles are equal to 90 degree, children. Why it is 90, children? Suppose if all angles are equal, then how many angles are there? 4 x x x x. 4x equals to 360 degree, because we know in a quadrilateral the sum of all four angles is 360. So if we assume all angles are equals to x, then we can write x plus x plus x plus x equals to 360 degree. That means 4x equals to 360, x equals to 360 by 4, x equals to 90 degree. That means all angles, a rectangle is a parallelogram with equal angles, and each angle equals to how much, children? 90 degree. All angles equals to 90. So it is a special parallelogram with all angles 90. Now let us study its properties. Now see, children, properties of rectangle. The first property, a rectangle has all the properties of parallelogram, because rhombus, rectangle, square, all are parallelograms only. So they will definitely follow the properties of parallelogram. So this rectangle I have made, it is a parallelogram, and it is a rectangle, and it is a special type of parallelogram, and it has opposite sides of equal length, and diagonal bisect each other, So it has all properties of parallelogram. This are equal, these diagonals are equal, in diagonal bisect each other, and opposite sides are parallel as well as equal. All angles, opposite angles also equal. Okay, so it has all properties of parallelogram. Opposite sides equal, first. Second, opposite angles are equal, but here all angles are 90, so opposite are also equal. Then diagonals bisect each other, Okay, so these are the properties of parallelogram, also having properties of rectangle. Now what is the difference then? So we'll study the second property. Now see the second one. Now see, the diagonals of a rectangle are of equal length. This is the very important property of rectangle. The diagonals of rectangle are of equal length. So this makes it a special parallelogram, because both of its diagonals are equal. That's why it is special parallelogram. So AC equals to BD. Diagonals are equal. This makes rectangle a special parallelogram. Diagonals are equal. Clear, children? So our two special parallelogram over. First one is rhombus, second one rectangle. Now we study the third one and very important one, and that is square. So let us study square. Now see, a square is a rectangle. Now square is called a rectangle, and rectangle is a parallelogram, we know, children. A square is a rectangle and rectangle is a parallelogram. So square is also a called rectangle. A square is a rectangle with equal sides. All of its sides are equal. So a square is a rectangle having sides equal. In rectangle, sides are not equal, children, but it is a square. It is a rectangle which having all sides equal. So let us name it ABCD. So what is square? It's a square rectangle, equal sides. So what are sides? AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. all of its sides are equal. All sides are equal. Then it is a special rectangle or special parallelogram. Clear, children? Now we are going to study the properties of square. First one, a square has all the properties of rectangle. As we know, square is a rectangle only, so it is having all properties. Means all sides are equal, all angles equals to 90 degree, and already having all properties of parallelogram also, because a rectangle is a parallelogram. So square is a rectangle, so that's why it is having all property. And diagonals are also equal. In rectangle diagonals are equal, so in square also diagonals equal. So what are the properties of rectangle? So same properties of square also. First, all sides equal. Secondly, all angles equals to 90 degree. Third, diagonals are equal. So these are the properties of rectangle, and these same properties of square also. Now what makes it a square? How it is different from a rectangle? So let us see the very important property of square. Now children, what makes a square different from a rectangle? And that property is the diagonals of square are perpendicular bisector to one another. Diagonals are perpendicular bisector. So there are two diagonals and they are perpendicular and bisect also. In rectangle, diagonals only bisect, but here it is bisecting at 90 degree. This is the difference. Diagonals are perpendicular as well as bisector. So these two equal, as well as all angles are 90 degree. So this makes the difference between a square and rectangle. In a square, diagonals bisect at 90 degree. That means all angles POQ equals to ROQ equals to SOR equals to POS, all equals to 90 degree, and diagonals bisect each other also. OP equals to OR and OS equals to OQ also. So this property, this property distinguish between rectangle and square. In rectangle, diagonal bisect. This is also the property of rectangle. But in rectangle, diagonals not bisect at 90 degree. So they are bisecting at 90 degree also. And second one, in a square, diagonals are equal also. What is second property of square? In a square, diagonals are equal length. So which are the diagonals here? PR and SQ. So PR equals to SQ. This is the second property of square. In a square, diagonals are of, these are the properties of diagonals, children, because both are based on diagonals. The first property of square, diagonals are perpendicular bisector, and second one, diagonals are of equal length also. So children, understood all the properties of special type of parallelograms. So just study all these properties by yourself, practice it, because practice is very essential. So children, keep watching and we'll do the next exercise also. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.